Ever wanted to snag that awesome Rakuten deal but prefer paying with cash? Today, we're showing you exactly how to pay for your Rakuten goodies at a 7-Eleven, making your shopping experience super smooth. First, head to your Rakuten order confirmation page. Make sure you've selected convenience store payment as your preferred method when placing your order. On the order confirmation page, look for the payment number or confirmation number. It usually starts with numbers. This is crucial, so write it down or take a screenshot. Now, make your way to your nearest 7-Eleven. Look for the multifunction copy machine. It's usually bright yellow and hard to miss. On the machine's touchscreen, find and tap the button that says Internet Shopping, or a similar phrase indicating online payment options. The language might be in Japanese, but usually there's an English option available. Select Rakuten now. Carefully enter the payment number you wrote down or screenshot it earlier. Double check it to avoid any errors. The machine will then print out a payment slip. Take the slip to the cashier. Hand the slip to the 7-Eleven staff and pay the exact amount shown on the slip. They'll give you a receipt as proof of payment. Keep this receipt safe. And that's it. Your Rakuten order is now paid for, and you just have to wait for it to arrive. Enjoy your purchase.